Yep, now it's public. Now people can see you. Now you.
Oh, it does say, yeah. Okay.
We got it now.
All right.
Nobody's in there yet. It should say right there.
Oh, I see. Okay.
That should be
Hi, everyone. This is Jeannie Cole with Discovery Toys and Jeannie Cole with AVON. We're now looking at the Discovery Toys that we have for sale today. Come on out to the open house. And my granddaughter, thank you, Kalela. And this is our AVON products that we have here for sale. And, well, we got some snacks, you know. We can't do anything without snacks these days. Here we have some more AVON products on our table, which we're sharing. I'm also doing Discovery Toys, looking for sponsors for the support of Family and Children's Services, the kids in, let me see if I can get it better, the kids in foster care. We're seeking sponsorships for $35, so the kids there will be able to get toys, games, and books from Discovery Toys. Now I've moved over to create your own samples. We've got our little containers for you to pick a sample that you might want to take home and try. I had my granddaughter set this up for me. There we go, and we have samples back there, samples here, samples there, sample everywhere.
Oh,
no. I'm not so sure my grandson thought that was a cool move for me, but that's okay. He's young. And we have some jewelry here. Some of the AVON products the fragrances are on sale. Any two for $32 out of a certain select grouping. Now, let's go over and check out the toys. Can we see the crazy car? Let's get it going.
All right, y'all. Here y'all go.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And some more of the tracks so you can kind of see. You can label, you can put them in any way you want. Get them all mixed up here. And now more sample toys on display. We have the Measure Up pots and spoons. Woo! And they have designs on the back. Isn't that neat? Especially like in the sand. The kids really love doing that. And puzzles back here. We have what used to be my granddaughter's favorite game. Now, I used to be the winner of Tricky Fingers here. That one there, Tricky Fingers. But then she took over. I said, oh, I've got to play a little bit more because I got to get my title back. But last time, she beat me. Like, bam, 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 and she was done. It was like, oh, my gosh. Okay.
I'm the all-time champ, though. Let's.
I'm pretty sure you are good at this game, but I'm good at the Tricky Fingers.
Okay, see.
Oh, he's good at this
like,
one?
He beat me by a mile with this game.
Oh, okay.
Like, I'm an all-time champ at any game. We can really...
Oh, dear.
He's just playing his ego.
Especially Shishaku, I'm an all-time champ.
Did you cheat?
I didn't cheat.
You did cheat.
I didn't cheat.
You cheat when you played with me.
I didn't.
You were.
I just simply curved the
Let's
ball.
move on, people. Okay. And we have a stacking owls. We've got that on display.
Right, just, different patterns, we can do different patterns, type.
That's true. That's true. And I've been live for a while for it to just pop up. Oh, yeah.
I mean, this is kind of like how you play the game, actually, but...
All right, go ahead.
True.
Get you,
And
go ahead and give me one real quick, because I like food. Oh, I gotta give me a noodle real quick. Or
All right.
I like me some noodles. I like me a noodle. All right.
Here we go.
Ooh.
What are those, onions?
I mean,
Yeah.
in English they're called Naruto's. That's literally what they're called.
Let's see what I'm gonna get. I want that. Oh, it's on
Beans. Not beans, but peas.
Peas.
Okay.
I like me some of them too.
Please give me chili. God darn it.
Oh, you got. I want a chili though. Like you can't have my chili though. I'm gonna keep it a whole stack. Oh, I got.
I mean, chili, you can just pick anything you want. Again, we aren't playing by the rules, so.
No.
All right,
A lot of time, though, our family
No, you
plays.
cannot get the chili. No.
Oh, dear. Oh, dear.
Besides the chili.
Yeah, because there's only one chili in there, so.
If you get the chili, Ooh,
Dang
okay, good. See, I want the chili though. Like, I'm an all-time chili champ, you know. Ooh, you lucky, bro. I'm gonna take me.
I was about to
Okay,
say.
we're going to move on and come out and join us. We're at 606 Bryant Street. And the open house event is from noon, which is already past noon to 4. So come out and join us, play some games, have a couple snacks or two. And, oops, more snacks there. We are a snacking family.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, we are. We don't do anything without bringing snacks. So come out and join us.
Hello, everyone.
There we go.
My name is Jeannie.
And of course, we're watching videos that I've created, most with my grandkids and some without.
You passed all those.
Oh, I did?
Yeah. But, like,
Okay.
it's probably gonna hold up. Let's check it real quick.
1 year old.
Ooh.
You got shocked.
Yeah, and then yeah, we got one more right here.
Can you bring that one up?
Oh yeah, all right. Here you go.
All right.
That's her little.
One of my grandkids that I made a video with.
I guess that's one way to do it.
Here's Zanaya. So, thank you. Oh,
Jordan.
I have Jordan. He's one of my grandkid demonstrators. So, yes.
What are you going to build now?
Thank you. Check us out. Bye-bye.